what we have discussed in last topic about that undo retention. Within that particular time limit, okay, you can solve the error of your user, which means he has done by mistake. Some command he has executed by mistake. For example, delete command and commit. So as a user he can't recall that records now. Okay, as a DBA you can recall without taking backup. You have not taken the backup of those records till now. If you take backup, physical, whatever backup type, then it is easy to recall, but without taking backup, we are recalling it? So we are recalling from that undo table space segments and blocks. Okay, so this chapter is nothing but it is used to overcome human mistakes done at some occurrence, just to solve the human being mistake. This technology is depends on undo retention. Now what is undo retention? We have studied in last chapter, that 900 seconds. This technology started from 9i version. It was not there in 8i. Types of flashback options. Which are the different options you can solve? Okay, that is flashback query. Second will be flashback transaction, flashback version, flashback table. This is from 10G onwards. It was not there in 8i, 9i. Flashback database 10G onwards, but this flashback data archive only in 11G, not in 10G. So 6 types are there. Okay, this we will be covering in backup and recovery chapter. This at the end I will show you. If I drop the database and how to recall. Suppose if any problem is coming, if it is not coming back, then our whole topic will stop. So this in after at the end I will show you. Okay, and this in backup and recovery will be covering. We will be right now we will cover till 4th. Now flashback query to view snapshots of records, all given time, all commands executed between time. Yeah, just you have given insert, update, delete. Just I want to see, suppose, yeah, from its records. Just I want to see that you have inserted some 3 records. Okay, after some times more 4 records. So last 3 seconds how many records were there? I want to see that. And after some 2 minutes again I want to see that how many the status of those records. So with the help of that query I can see. You can specify the time. Okay, see here, simple, select count star. I want to see how many records has been inserted in that particular table. Particular table is suppose course name. We will try on EMP now. As of timestamp. Okay, means Oracle automatically applying a timestamp to each record. With the help of that particular timestamp, you can say one of the data type, you can say timestamp, in that time and date is maintaining. So with the help of that timestamp, on that particular date before 5 minutes, okay, -5. And how to calculate that current 5 minutes from 24 hours? Divide by 24 into 60. You will get that before particular this minutes. Okay, just I will show you practically. So here insert into EMP values. Select star from EMP. How many records? 4. Some time has been passed now. So I want to count the records. Select count star from which table? As of timestamp. As of timestamp means I want to specify the current particular date now this particular current time, so I can calculate with the help of my sales date. You know what is sales date? I have shown you in SQL. Sales date current date minus particular time, okay, but divide with 24 into 60. So 0 records were there before 2 minutes. It is showing the snapshot of before 2 minutes. No records were there. If time passes and again if you give this, that 4 records he will show you. 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 records he will show you after some time. Means he is taking the snapshot. This table was not updated any record before 2 minutes. Clear? This is nothing but a flashback query. You can pass the query and check. You can pass the query and check it. Okay. The next is flashback version. To see transaction which has been performed on a table. Version will give you more detail on which time it has started, which was the ending time, and what operations you have done on that table, whether it was an insert, whether it was an update or a delete. Okay, and for each that record or transaction, one ID is generated, and that ID is very important for DBA, because for each record ID is generating. So with the help of that ID I can call back the records if it is committed after delete also. This ID is very important for me. Okay, so you can see the then from job, whatever the table name is, and the version of that table between timestamp, min value and max value, whatever it may be the time. I don't want to specify 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just I want to check the status, what operations has been done. Okay, now how to check this? Select start time, just this I will close. S is there, just I want to check that whether S was not there or not. Versions start time, okay, comma versions end time, then versions operation, versions operation, then versions xid, versions xid from emp. Okay, versions between, versions between that as per the timestamp, as per between timestamp, min value and max value. Okay, these records I should show. Insert operation is there, no, on this. Select version start time, versions end time, versions operation from emp, versions between timestamp, min value and max value. No, that undo retention, that's it. No need of any configuration like that. By default it is there. Version start time, end time, operation, all the things are correct. Versions from EMP, versions between timestamp, min value and max value. Just what we will do, we will delete those records. Then how, what version is showing, we will check that. Okay. Too much problem. First I will give the commit command. So select star from EMP. Okay. Now delete from EMP. Now commit. Okay. If you give rollback also, those records will not come back now. Yeah, he has created the version. See, for deleting. So this is my X ID. See this 03000100 03107 E0, same, because set of records has been deleted. If I would have deleted one, delete, then insert, then update, then again delete, so individual that ID will be generated. So what if the operation done by the user is delete? So for undo it is insert, opposite na. If you want to call back again, means you want to insert those records. Now I have committed. Now with the help of this X ID I can recall it back. Okay, flashback version understood? He will show you the version, what has been happened to that table. This one.
No description.
Where?
No description for the commands.
Here I have told you now, to see transaction which has been performed on a table. Flashback version means to see transaction which has been performed on a table.
Just dates.
No, that columns na. This version start time 9 Jan, whatever the time started, version end time, version operation. Version operation. This is insert, update, delete is nothing but operation. That size is not there na, that's why that heading is not coming completely. See here, start time, end time and operation. This is operation D and I
insert.
delete. No, that heading, version operation, this is heading. Then X ID, this X ID. From which table I am searching all the details from EMP. For EMP this has been generated. Then versions. Okay, this is, you can say, the alias name. Heading, versions, between timestamp, automatically what time has been passed, min value and max value.
I asked about this
Operation, yeah, delete, insert, update. Transactions means DML commands will be there. Insert, update and delete. If it is delete, for me it is insert. Here user has been deleted his record. Okay, clear? This was flashback version. So actually we should try these versions to user side. In user side you will get this information. Also this one, because I have to move to that user and check his version, because that version is generated for him, but I have created that table in sys, so this is for me, for sys. Otherwise you have to go to other user.
Select, you want select if you are sys. Okay.
See, just I will show you by moving to another user. Connect production. Okay, production. 10 rows there, na? Select star from tab. Say DEPT now. DEPT. Insert into D number values 1. Will commit. Delete from DEPT. I will commit. Okay, clear. Now how the query will be, I want to check my version now. Now user will contact you. What you will do, you will connect to his user, you will go there, and there you will type that query again. Which one? Versions S, start time, end time, versions, operation. What operation has been done, you want to check that first. Delete, insert, update. Okay, because of that operation only you will get that ID. Then versions xid from DEPT. Okay, where DEPT versions, between timestamp, main value and max value. Sorry, versions end time it is. Like this, see, I D. First insert, then delete. Which ID I will pick? He will show me, no? Delete. So this D, this ID is important for me now. This one. Okay. What I will do, I will copy this ID from his user and I will move to sys, because from sys it is possible to recover. Okay. So I will just copy it. Right click, or you should remember copy. Okay. What I will do now, I will move to sys user. Now one base table is there where these records are coming. If you want to check it, I will just type that table in front of you. Flashback transaction underscore query. See, now start timestamps, commit SCN, commit timestamp, logon user, undo change, operation, table name, table owner, row ID, undo SQL. Undo SQL column is important for me. I want to undo that transaction, but within that retention period, if you give this command after shutdown tomorrow, not possible then. Undo SQL from just that column I am taking. Next you can try other columns also. Sorry, flashback transaction query. Okay, where xid equal to that this ID what I have copied from there, because xid I will not get in sys, I have to go to that user, ask him the table name, what was it, and I will type that query, version start time, versions end time, versions operation, xid, from table name, versions, timestamp, between min value and max value. After that I will get that particular xid and check the operation diu. So D is important for me because he has deleted. So for me it is inserting those records. He will insert. See, just check it. After that what you will get, he will write the command for you. This id, I will pick those records from my undo because it is there in my undo table space. For him it is deleted, but it is there in my undo table space. See, he will write insert command for you for those many records. Complete insert command 5 times he will write because 5 rows has been deleted. That's why it's taking time on this command. See, whatever it is, just records coming back. For us it is important. Now what to do? See, copy this, copy this from where it was deleted, production, from here it was deleted, now paste here, shift insert, copy that all the commands and shift insert. See, one row created. In short, records are back. Now do commit again, like that. Clear? So flashback is one type of recovery, you can say, recovery of records without taking the backup, but for a time limit. But if it is commit, not taken the backup, then also it is possible in Oracle. Next day also it is possible. That from control file, like that, without taking backup also possible, SCN number, some other results. But it is better within 15 minutes you recall and give it back to your user. Your task will be less, otherwise two lengthy procedures are then to recall these records if it is shut down. Clear? Okay, so we have finished with flashback query, flashback version and flashback transaction query. This is nothing but a transaction query. I have done the transaction query. Okay, now the next point is, this was transaction query. See, now you understood this. I have written in notes, like that, output, note, select above output, click on copy, now connect to whatever user, press paste, so you will get the records back. Now flashback table. If table dropped, how to recover? Yeah, we can recall, no problem. If table also dropped, complete table, just we will check it how to recall it back. After dropping, it will move to recycle bin. To display recycle bin list through the user, it is also possible from 10G, 11G. Select star from user underscore recycle bin. Okay, to display recycle bin through sys, select star from dba underscore recycle bin. User dba. Okay, now if you drop, the command will be flashback table, and this value we have to take from this table, 2 before drop. Simple command is there. See here, if I give select star from tab, now drop table dept, select star from tab, see the difference. Now what he is showing, this is nothing but he is telling us that this table has been moved to recycle bin. One of the table is there in recycle bin.
Now you can check the recycle, right?
Yes, that value. Okay. Now if you want to drop it permanently from recycle bin also, then you have to give the command purge table and the table name. What is that? DEPT. This will remove permanently. You as a DB also you can't recall then. So before purge you can recall. How to recall? Select star from user underscore recycle bin. See, the complete information is coming. Actual the table name was DEPT. Okay, and this is the value from where I can get my record back. Copy this. User also can recall, he has the rights to recall, no problem. In that user also you can recall. Nowadays user knows this command. Okay, if they don't know, it's your responsibility. Flashback table, and here that is string before table drop. Double quotes, it should be. Flash. Spelling mistake. This no. I think double quotes, or just we will check it. Otherwise we will change it to double quotes. It is this no. Before drop sheet. Double quotes is there, but the command was wrong. This is the method. Okay.
Sometimes will be convert information in this group and there is some errors in the information inside table.
Maybe. See, flashback database, we can recover our database fastly. We can recover this until SCN, system change number, what we have studied in Oracle architecture. Last 3 seconds, every 3 seconds records are committed, means numbers are assigned. Those numbers are nothing but SCN. You can recall with the SCN. We can recover this until timestamp. We can recover this until restore point. These are the steps how you can recover your flashback database. I will show you in future. Data archive, to store specified object table, it stores in table spaces. This feature was not in 10G, only in 11G. Means if you know that my table spaces is connected with 3 users, and from that user a particular table you want to recall, that is possible with the help of flashback data archive. See, if we want to enable our database in flashback mode, first we should start our database in archive log mode. Okay, this before backup and recovery I will explain you what is archive log mode. That's why I told you that before starting backup recovery chapter, one parameter will be there, that is flashback data archive. If it is in archive log mode, then only we can take the backup and recovery. If it is in no archive log mode, means in lock mode and open mode. Archive log means just lock and unlock mode, you can say. Okay, like that. So flashback database latest transactions are stored in flashback log files. To store this file, we have to add 2 parameters in P file for database, that is db recovery file dest size equal to. then flashback size should be 3 times greater than database. Whatever size you can check there, how much bytes has been occupied, all those things, है ना. If database size 1 MB, then directory size should be 3 MB, like that. Means for flashback database, first the thing will be this parameter size. Okay, clear? So this was all related to flashback.